Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to sign in to Line. Now let us begin. Initially, once you click on the application, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you can see two options, login or sign up. For now, simply click on login, as right now we want to sign into our account. Once you guys do that, it's gonna give you two options. In case you already have a QR code, click on the first option, else the second one. It's up to you. Right now I do not have the QR code, so I'm simply gonna click on this button that says login with another method. Now finally it's gonna ask me whether I want to log in with my phone number, Apple ID or Google ID. Select the one by which you had signed up. I'm gonna do it right now. I signed up using my Google account, as such I am using this. I'm simply gonna click on this button at the bottom and select my Google account. Well guys, this is it. As you can see, this is my account, so I'm simply gonna click on login. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, I am being signed in to my account. Well guys, that is it. That is how you sign in to Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.